Alright, so here's a quick video on installing handlebar grips on a quad. Problem you may come across is you try to get it on here, it's tight. You push it on to about 3/4 of the way on there, and then it won't turn, it won't go on, you can't get it off, it's a nightmare. You end up cutting it off, buying a new one. So the best thing I found to do is just get some WD-40. This stuff is, I mean, what doesn't this stuff do? Or what isn't it good for? A little bit of WD-40 inside the grip. Slide it right on. Get it to the right depth. Make sure it's not twisted. There you go. You put the end cap in, if you have them. Give that 10 to 15 minutes. It'll dry, it'll be nice and tight, and you're off and running. So there you go. Thanks for watching.